Hello, my name is Arif Fazell, and I'll be your adjunct instructor for the MLS 2000 Biology for Health Sciences class. I wanted to extend a personal welcome and invitation to all of you taking part in this summer's class. I wanted to briefly tell you a little bit about myself, my availability, and a brief synopsis of what this course is going to cover. So first, what about me? Well, I'm actually a full-time academic advisor currently with the School of Chemical Sciences at the University of Illinois in Urbana-Champaign. However, I'll be finishing that at the end of this month, at the end of May, in which time I'll be moving back east to Richmond, Virginia, where I hope to begin a new position somewhere out there in the East Coast. But during this time, during the summer and beyond, I will still be keeping up with this adjunct instructing position here with the George Washington University School of Medicine and Health Sciences. Brief background about myself and what qualifies me to teach this class is that I received my bachelor's degree from the University of Tampa, down in Tampa, Florida, where I was a major in biology with a molecular concentration. So I was one of those few students that was not interested in pre-health. I was legitimately interested in pursuing research in the field of molecular biology and genetics areas. After that, I received my master's back in 2011 from the Florida State University, where I received a master's in cell and molecular biology. I did do research there, but at the same time had an amazing opportunity to be a teaching assistant, where I taught a cell biology lecture class and a biology lab as well for incoming freshmen. I have been teaching this course specifically, MLS 2000, since the spring of 2015, and this will be the second time teaching it during the summer session. Now, briefly what this course will cover. Well, it's a very basic understanding of biology. What is biology? Particularly what is molecular biology? And basically the things we'll cover is describing things such as the hierarchy of life, from small organic molecules through the ecosystems. We will compare and contrast animals and plants, particularly at the cellular level, in context about how they obtain energy and use that energy. We will explain the processes of cellular duplication. So we'll go into genetics as well as basic cell biology. We'll describe how genes are related to proteins, and of course describe the process of inheritance, and then piecing it all together, so understanding how cells make up organs, organs make up organ systems, and organ systems are us. We are the full-on organism. Now, the way this course is structured is that it is, to an extent, somewhat self-paced. I will always post week-long material, which will include weekly reading assignments, a homework assignment, as well as a weekly quiz. All this information will be posted the Sunday evening, and you'll have Monday through the following Sunday to complete the readings, complete the quiz, as well as turn in the homework assignments. Now, I do want to stress this. Quizzes are timed. You have roughly 25 to 30 minutes. There are 10 questions, typically very short answer, so 1 or 2 words, or multiple choice. At the same time, these quizzes are going to be coming strictly from your textbook reading, so make sure you have the appropriate textbook as stated in the syllabus. Homework assignments are again coming mostly from the book or my PowerPoint presentations, and they're there to kind of just reinforce some of the most important things and concepts I really want you guys to really hone in on and understand in order to be successful. And then finally, you will have 3 major exams as well, which will make up a big chunk of your grade. The first 2 exams are basically going to cover a chunk of material. So the first exam will cover, for example, the first 4 weeks. The second exam will cover the second 4 weeks, so about weeks 6 through 9. And then your third and final exam is actually going to be a cumulative final. So everything that we are learning over the next 14 weeks encompass into one final exam. So that's the breakdown of the grades. Throughout this semester, I'll also be posting more of these type of personal videos just to provide you guys with some tips and to let you know that I'm still around and I still care. Now, because of the distances from most of my students to me, because most of you are spread out around the world or across the country, even here in the US, we are going to follow the Eastern time zone as stated by George Washington University. So all times are Eastern time zone. At the same time, though, I am reachable through email. Some of you have already started to email me, and you'll see that I'm a fairly quick responder. I'm always attached to a mobile device, so I'm always in contact with anyone and everyone. So feel free to email me at any time with your questions, and I should be able to respond within a matter of hours to 24 hours. At the same time, I don't have any set office hours, but I do strongly encourage you guys to reach out to me, and we can schedule an online meeting utilizing a system within the Blackboard system, which allows us to video chat, and we can share a whiteboard as well, where we can post and go over information accordingly. And I highly recommend that you guys reach out, particularly if you find that you're struggling with keeping up with any of the material at any point during the semester or at the same time leading up to an exam. I will also post regularly other supplemental videos that either I have done in the past or that I might find useful to help supplement with the readings. So again, feel free to stay in touch with me. My contact information is in the syllabus. Go over it carefully, and should you have any further questions, please don't hesitate to contact me at any time through email. Have a great semester, and I look forward to hearing from many of you.